Mr. Smith. Oh, let's take your medication now.
Fuck no.
Okay, that's fine then. Say hi for me to Jesus. You're gonna fucking die.
Hey,
Yes?
nurse. Can you pick up my Uber?
Okay. Oh, you order an Uber and you want me to pick it up downstairs? So
Exactly.
you are able to order the Uber but you want to pick it up downstairs? No. Okay, everybody, family members, the visiting hours is done. It's time for my patient to sleep.
We would like to stay in here.
You guys want to stay? Oh, unfortunately, we cannot do that. Okay, we have a limitation.
Sorry, but we're paying
You don't want
in
to
the hospital.
because you're paying for the stay. Okay, well, take your dad and get out, all of you. Mariosip kayo.
Nurse, we're a
Yes,
little
my
disappointed
dear.
because my dad has been asking for ashes for
Dad
5
has been
minutes.
asking for ice just for 5 minutes. And nobody gave it to him.
Exactly, and this is not right.
I'm so sorry, darling, but this is not a hotel. Hello, this is Nurse Martes speaking.
This is Dr. Peters. Can I please speak
Okay,
to
hello,
the nurse?
Dr. Peter, how are you?
I need to speak to the nurse.
Don't raise your voice on me, huh? Oh my God. Why are you so angry?
Did you refuse my order?
Yes, I refuse your order.
And why is that? Are you being serious?
Yes, because it's a verbal order. I don't take verbal order. I told you that many times. So if you want to put an order, go write it down or go put it on the computer. Okay? Goodbye. Elizabeth, come. Let's take a shower before your family comes over.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to. Where do you smell like shit, darling? Let's go.